So the instructions that I got were to grab it with a pair of vice grips, crush it. Oh, that's hard. Let's see. Okay, pretty solid grip. Now, heat it up. Once it's nice and hot, then beat it out of there. It ain't moving. Oh boy. There we go. Okay, now let's try the beating it part again. Alright, beating's not working, so let's try more twisting. Then twisting and beat. It's moving. Uh-oh. That's not helpful. Fun. Oh boy. Now what? Dang it. Alright, for science, let's try this little one. See if this thing comes right out. Nope, that thing. Alright, water pump's coming back off. And we're doing some cutting and some grinding. I think. Something else. This thing is not as easy as any of the videos or instructions that I've watched on getting this out. So now I'm gonna try to just flip it over, see if I can pull it out, because I've destroyed pretty much anything I can grip it with. So that's nice. Yeah, let's see if I can get it cut out of here. Not quite yet. All right, let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. It just turns now? Look at that. It's that easy. I got it. That's easy. It's the easiest thing, I think. Why doesn't everybody do this? Jeez. Nope. Not that one. That one still needs some cutting. All done. Well, all done with getting them out. Now it's time to tap them. All right, so now I've got a 16 mil socket. I'm sure there's a better tool for this, but this is what I got. And then I've got some Irwin 1/2 inch by 14 National Pipe Thread tap for one. And then 3/8 18. Once I get these holes tapped out, these AN fittings can be screwed right in there. So let's see, let's give it a shot. Give it a little bit of WD-40. Try to get it as straight as you can. It's always a good thing. And you're not going to want to drive this all the way home, because if you do, pretty good chance you're going to snap the aluminum. Give it a little bit more penetration oil there. I'm going to put a rag on the inside to keep all these thread shavings from going into my nice new water pump. I'm wondering if this might be easier to do mounted to the motor. Gonna wrap these up with some plumber's tape. Blue Monster is what I always used in my past life plumbing, so I've just always kind of kept it around. Give it 3 wraps all the way around. Same for the little guy. And now Evil Energy sells these cool AN fitting wrenches. But I am just going to use a 15/16 impact. Seems to work much better. All right, there we go. I'm ready to put it back on the car.